Welcome everybody to our talk on speeding up success, how Bimeto AI and APS are redefining modeling in architecture and engineering. I'm Bastian, co-founder and CTO of Bimeto. We are a young startup based in Freiburg in Germany. And today we explore how AI-based innovation technologies are transforming the way we approach as-built documentation and modeling in the building industry. A question we often hear is why digitize existing buildings at all? The answer lies in the growing complexity and demands placed on the built environment. The applications of digital building models, so-called digital twins, are wide-ranging and increasingly critical. They support adaptive reuse of buildings, enable targeted maintenance and upkeep, assist in emergency and evacuation planning, and form the foundation for energy-efficient renovations. Beyond these individual applications, digital twins are key to streamline planning processes, transparent building operations, and real-time progress monitoring during construction or refurbishment. In an era of limited resources, rising sustainability standards, and increasing technical demands, digitizing existing buildings is no longer a luxury. It is an essential tool for forward-looking building management and renovation. Today, we show you how new AI-powered workflows are making this process faster and more accurate than ever before. Traditionally, the digitization workflow has been labor-intensive. It begins with capturing physical spaces, followed by manual extraction of information, time-consuming calculations, and finally modeling to create 2D floor plans or 3D models. This conventional approach is not only slow, but prone to human error and inconsistencies. There are currently two primary approaches to digitizing existing buildings, each with distinct strengths and limitations. The first involves using legacy planning data, existing documents such as floor plans, technical drawings, and construction records. While this method can offer a quick starting point, it often comes with major challenges. The documentation may be outdated, inaccurate, or in some cases, completely missing. As a result, relying solely on existing plans can lead to planning errors, delays, or costly revisions down the line. The second approach is to generate entirely new up-to-date planning data through digital surveying methods, such as laser scanning or photogrammetry. These techniques allow to precise capture of a building's current physical state and enable the creation of accurate digital models. However, this process has traditionally been time-consuming and resource-intensive, requiring specialized equipment and expertise. Ultimately, both approaches underline key insight: the more accurate and complete the digital representation of a building, the greater its value for planning, renovation, or operational efficiency. This is where our solution comes in. At Bimeto, we focus on digital surveying approach because it provides the most accurate representation of reality. The combination of Bimeto AI and Autodesk Revit creates a powerful workflow that dramatically accelerates the process, transforming what was once time-consuming into an efficient and precise methodology. Now I hand over to Linus, our main developer, who will walk you through the technical process.
Hi, I'm Linus. Thank you, Bastian. I'm the main developer at Bimeto, and I'm going to talk to you about the technical process. It follows 3 key steps. First, capturing reality using LiDAR scanning technology, then processing the data through Bimeto AI, and finally integrating the results into Revit for detailed modeling and analysis. This streamlined workflow transforms raw point cloud data into usable BIM models with minimal manual intervention. Now let's quickly see Bimeto AI in action step by step, starting with the scan. Here you can see an exemplary raw point cloud data from a LiDAR scanner for 2 houses. This point cloud represents the physical reality of the existing structure, but it's not yet in a format architects and engineers can easily work with. We want to give those an easy way to process the raw data into usable 3D models without much manual work. Together, our first process cleans the point cloud data. For this, our AI automatically removes noise and unnecessary points of the surrounding and interior, which does not include structural information of the building, here shown in gray. Like this, it keeps only what's relevant for architectural modeling. This crucial pre-processing step creates a clean foundation for an accurate detection of structural elements. Next, our AI process identifies a relevant architectural element within the clean point cloud. This includes elements like walls, floors, ceilings, windows and doors, beams, columns, and stairs. As you can see, this AI's sophisticated algorithm can distinguish between different element types despite their complex spatial relationships. For example, the points belonging to windows in red and separated to those belonging to the facade in turquoise. In the following step, the AI divides the building into individual rooms and floors based on the determined information of structural elements. This spatial organization is crucial for proper architectural modeling and subsequent space planning. The AI accurately defines room boundaries and correctly associates each room with their respective floor. Now, based on the collected information, the real magic happens, converting unstructured point data into parametric architectural objects with proper dimension and properties. Each element, like walls and windows, is reconstructed with precision by maintaining its relationship to adjacent elements. At the next stage, the individually reconstructed elements are reassembled into a complete building model. The AI ensures proper connection between elements across different rooms and floors, creating a cohesive architectural representation of the entire structure. Adding the facade elements completes the building and its exterior representation. These components are critical for energy analysis, visual representation, and overall building performance assessments. The model now contains both internal and external architectural elements. Here we see the fully reconstructed building model overlaid by the original point cloud. This comprehension demonstrates the accuracy of our AI reconstruction process. Note how closely the generated model matches the actual scanned reality. We can also look inside and see the walls and doors lining up with their corresponding points. The final result is a complete architectural accurate building model derived solely from scan data. This model is now ready for import into Revit, where it becomes the foundation for all subsequent design analysis and documentation work. Now let me introduce our Revit plugin, the interface that connects Bimeto AI with your desktop workflow. With this plugin, you are able to use our AI transforming service directly within Revit. I should note that our plugin is currently only available in German, but we are working on additional language support soon. Our Revit plugin provides a seamless interface between scanning and modeling. With it, users can directly load point cloud data into the Bimeto cloud environment and trigger the Bimeto AI processing with just one click. This eliminates the need to switch between different software platforms and maintains a continuous workflow. Here we see the result of AI processing. The plugin automatically creates appropriate Revit family instances for each detected element. Wall, floors, doors, and windows are all generated as parametric Revit objects, not just dump geometry. This maintains the BIM intelligence through the process, giving you a fully functional Revit model that's ready for further detailing and design work. What would normally take days of manual work has been accomplished in a few hours with greater accuracy than traditional methods. So much to the technical side of our process. Now Bastian will take over again and talk about the benefits of our Bimeto AI.
Thank you very much, Linus. So let's discuss what this means for architects and engineers in practical terms. The benefits fall into three critical categories. First, increased efficiency through time savings, faster iterations, and seamless integration with existing workflows. Second, accuracy and error reduction by minimizing human errors, ensuring precise geometry, and providing a consistent data foundation. And finally, improved planning through a shared basis for all stakeholders working with the building information modeling, better informed decision-making, and an optimized construction workflow overall. To put this in numbers, this solution delivers up to 85% time savings in modeling through automation through the whole process. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a transformative change in how as-built documentation can be approached and executed. To summarize what we've covered in our talk today, the Bimeto AI and Revit integration creates efficient workflows by automating the conversion of point clouds into 3D models, dramatically reducing manual work. The seamless integration makes the entire process more streamlined and accessible. Our structured process follows 3 steps: the reality capturing using laser scanning or photogrammetry, the pre-modeling with Bimeto AI, and finally, the detailed processing in Revit to get a higher detailed model. The result is higher accuracy with significant time savings, providing a solid BIM foundation that enhances planning and decision-making for renovation, retrofitting, and facility management projects. Thank you for your attention, and please contact us if there is any questions about this technology or how it can benefit your specific workflows and projects.